Gabi is gonna pull up next to me, and then we can go sideways and just see how it goes. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I think we're heading up there for a while, so I'm gonna be right under the highway. This is a hanging bridge, just to show you. Gabi's here already, so she's ready for lunch, and this is our lunch stop, so let's start. This is actually only for tribal members, but we have been here so many, 9 years, every year several times to come down here. There's a big storm that threw all these blocks, all these drifting roots up here, and Gabi is sitting there, she's taking a break, and I think I'm going to go and join her. Well, I think I'm going to take a walk down to the beach. Gabi is just sitting here on the logs, taking a nice little rest, and get through between these boulders. All right.